Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can cast your TV in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, or you can do is go to the control panel. Here you will see screencast. Tap on this screencast, enable it from here. You can see it will show the available TV or tablet from here. You can see from here, you will see, and when it will see, you have to tap on to cast. It will show the mobile phone screen to your TV screen, and you can play movies, videos in your screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.